Crowds gathered at the weekly Bronx Night Market located in Fordham Plaza, lining up to try local cuisine representing various cultures. Some vendors even introduced their own unique food concepts and recipes for people to sample.
It gives an opportunity to a lot of small businesses, a lot of people of color-owned businesses, and a lot of just local businesses. It gives them the opportunity to kind of just get their stuff out there and kind of just give back to the community while, generating and building their own brand.
According to a couple of first-time vendors, seeing the huge amount of people come and support their businesses gave them a lot of appreciation for their work at the Bronx Night Market.
It's the people, man. It's always the people. In business, it's the people.
Definitely the people. Because if it wasn't for the people, there wouldn't be no Bronx Night Market.
New York State Senator Gustavo Rivera, who represents the Northwest Bronx, also came out to the Bronx Night Market to support some of the local vendors.
I'm very, very glad that the Bronx Night Market is back. They've been here for a few years, and it's proven to be an incredibly successful way to get folks in the Bronx to have something right here in their neighborhood. They don't have to go downtown to get something like this.
The Bronx Night Market takes place every Saturday from 12 o'clock p.m. to 7 p.m. and will continue to occur on a weekly basis until November 13th. To find out more information about this weekly event, visit www.bronxnightmarket.com. Reporting for BronxNet, Tomas Dominguez.